everyone, it's Mary back with another episode of Biblio Banter, your show on all things books. And today, winter is coming, so we better prepare. So I'm going to show you how you can make your very own winter trees from just simple folds to a book. But first, before we cozy up with our trees, we're going to cozy up with some great winter reads. The first book is Dash and Lily's Book of Dares by Rachel Cohn and David Levithan, available through Alfred Knopf. Now this book is a fun romp through New York City. Lily leaves a notebook of challenges for anyone to pick up. She hides it in a little bookstore in New York City, and Dash comes across it, and what ensues is a romantic romp through the Big Apple. Check out Netflix's series based off of this book, and the sequel is coming out as well. If you're not into romantic comedy, pick up After the Snow by S.D. Crockett, available from Feiwel and Friends. Earth is experiencing a brand new ice age, and Willow must use all of his courage and all of his skill to rescue his family in a newly frozen world. Great adventure. Little bit scary because polar ice caps melting, not something that we can quite ignore right now. So make sure you pick up this book. Maybe you'll prepare for your own ice age coming potentially in the future. Not quite a cozy read, but an epic one. And since the world may potentially be covered in ice, let's plant our very own trees. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to fold them. All right, everyone, to create your own festive book trees, what you need is a book. Preferably hardcover. You're looking for 200 to 400 pages. You don't want the book too small or it won't be a full-body tree. You don't want the book too big or it's going to take you forever to fold, and the folds get a little bit more difficult the thicker you make the book. So hardcover book, 200 to 400 pages. Doesn't matter what's on the dust jacket. You can remove it, you can leave it on. Grab a second copy of your favorite book, grab an old book you want to throw away. It's up to you. It's very simple page folding. All you need to do first is find the center of your book. You can either be very mathematical about it and find the exact middle page and open it up to it, or you can be like me and kind of lazy and just go, this is approximately the middle. What you do want to do, however, is do the same number of folds on either side of the book, half of the book. You need probably at least around 76 folds. So you split 76 into two, do half of them on one side, half of them on the other. So let's get folding some pages. Right, once you find the center of your book, the first fold you're going to want to make, I'm choosing to start on the right side, is take your top corner and fold it down to make a triangle. Key note, don't fold it all the way to the center spine of your book. You're going to run out of room as you make more folds and your tree is going to get kind of stiff. So you want to fold down to about 1/4 of an inch away from the spine, or if you're lucky and the print works out this way, just fold to the edge of the print. Make your crease. The next fold you want to make is taking this corner and doing the same thing. Fold it over so you make a straight fold with your edge along the edge of the print. You may need to add a little bit of crease up top. Just fold and press down. The last fold is you take the little tag hanging off and you can just tuck it under to give yourself a straight edge bottom. Doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of tucks that page under. And that's the first part of your tree. Just continue making those folds for however many you have to go to the right, and repeat the process to however many you have to go to the left, and you've created a full tree. Once you've finished folding your tree, decorate it as simply or as elaborately as you like. So make your own forest of book trees. Don't forget to subscribe and check us out on Instagram at Biblio Reads and tag us with pictures of your book trees. Tune in next time. See you later.